In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace an engine air filter on a Nissan Sentra. It is located in the engine compartment. Let's get started. You're going to want to open your hood and find your way to the driver's side of the engine bay. As you can see, this is the air box, this is the air tube, and the battery. We're going to want to remove the air tube. So we're going to firmly pry up and lift it out the way. Set it aside. Now that we have access to the filter, we're going to want to remove these two clips. You just lift them up, and we're going to lift this half portion of the air box up. So pull towards you and lift up. As you can see, the filter's right there. Remove and set it aside and clean out your air box. Now that our air box is clean, we're going to install our new filter. This side goes down until it's flush with the rest of the air box. We're going to slide it in and re-clip it. There's two alignment tabs on the bottom. I want to make sure it just lines up. Push up and secure the clips. Make sure it's firmly in place. Now we're going to reinstall our air tube. Keep in mind, this has to go over this bottom part right here. So when you reinstall it, align it and make sure it goes over. And again, over here we have a rubber tab. This is going to slide over it. And another rubber tab over here. So that one's in, this one's in. Now we have the plastic clip down here. Give it a nice push and make sure it's firm. Now that the filter is installed, we're going to go and make our way inside the vehicle. We're going to start the car, check for any codes, and take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.